Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Apex Legends game error, and the error is no servers found. So if you're getting this no servers found error in Apex Legends game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Apex Legends server status. You can go to the Apex Legends down detector website, Apex Legends X web page or subreddit page. Links are provided in my video description. And once you're on this down detector website of Apex Legends, scroll down and see the graph over here. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. If you just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. Now if the server status is online and if still you are getting the no servers found error, then here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart launcher or PC to trigger an update. Sometimes you need to restart your launcher or PC that will recognize that there is a small update or hotfix to the game, and then you can check. So if you have the game on Steam, then simply close the Steam. If you have the game on EA app, then simply close the EA app. And if you have the game on Epic Games Launcher, then close the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure it is also closed from the taskbar from here. And after closing the launcher completely, then restart the launcher and then check if there is an update is available or not. If there is an update, then update the game and then you can play the game. If that also doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, and once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the launcher and then launch the Apex Legends game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to EA app users perform app recovery. This will force an update. So open EA app, click on this three dot and then go to help and then click on app recovery. And here take a note, restart to run app recovery. We need to dust off some files in order to refresh the app and get you back to gaming. You will need to log in after restarting and any unsaved data may be lost. So click on clear cache and confirm it, and then relaunch the EA app and then launch the Apex Legends game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to repair game file. So if you have the game on Steam, then open Steam, go to library, right click on Apex Legends game and then click on properties. Go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Apex Legends no servers found error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.